بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أحبائي طلبة الصف الخامس، إليكم درس عن الفصل الثالث قوانين الحركة. Chapter 3 Laws of Motion. The concept of force and its kinds. The force is the effect that change or try to change the motion state of the object or object's shape. The force is a vector quantity. We have several kinds of force: the push force, pull force, tensile force, compression force, etc. The unit of the force is Newton, which is equal to 1 kilogram meter per second square. There are three base forces in the nature. The first one is the gravity force, is the reciprocal attraction force between any two masses in the universe. The second type is the electric and magnetic forces, the electrical forces between two electrical charges, or the magnetic force that appear between magnetic poles or attraction of an iron piece to the magnet. The third type is the nuclear forces. First type is the strong nuclear force. This connects the nucleons with each other. The second type is a weak nuclear forces. This is responsible about the decay of beta particles that happen inside the nucleus. We will study that in details in the next year, inshallah. Inertia and mass. See this figure. This ball will move in this direction. It will stop here and return back. If we make this side longer, the ball will move longer distance. If this side is horizontal, the ball will move longer than the previous cases. Also, the ball will stop because of the friction with the surface and the resistance of the air. So the ball keep rolling on the straight horizontal plane without stopping in the case of no friction and no air resistance. Also, see this figure. The baseball need bigger force to be stopped than the force that the table tennis ball needs, because the baseball has bigger mass than it resists more for changing its motion state. We conclude from that the inertia of an object depends on the body mass. The inertia is defined as the inertia is a property that the object has, which indicate the amount of resistance that the object shows for any change in its motion state. Newton's first law, it states that an object at rest remain at rest, or if it in motion, remain in motion at a constant velocity unless acted on by a net external force. So if there is no external force, the moving body will remain moving and the rest body will remain rest. Now we have this activity, the inertia. Activity tools: pen, a soft metallic ring, and opened bottle. The steps: put the bottle vertically on the horizontal table surface. Put the metallic ring as vertical plane over the bottle nozzle, as in this figure. Put the pen vertically on and quietly over the ring, as in the figure. Hit the ring by your hand fast and with horizontal force from the middle, as in figure B. You find that the ring stand aside and the pen enter the bottle, as in figure 3. We conclude from this activity: when the ring get influenced by horizontal force, it moved with acceleration while the pen kept instantaneously static in its place because of absence of friction. Number 2. The absence of force influence on the pen make it keep static and fall in the bottle by the influence of gravity force. Thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.